How to earn money in Metamask. I'm going to show you how you can easily earn money in Metamask. First, open the Metamask application on your mobile device. Now, enter your password and tap on Unlock to access your wallet. Next, tap on any token, such as Ethereum, to check its balance and options. Then tap on Portfolio to view your holdings. Here, you will find options to buy, sell, and stake cryptocurrencies. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Sell to start the process of converting your crypto into money. Then, tap on Get Started. Here, you need to select the cryptocurrency you want to sell and enter the amount. Now, choose your preferred payment method and tap on Get Quotes to see the current rates. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction and earn money from your crypto holdings.